Hi friends, I'm back again today with an art project for all of you. Since Easter is this weekend, I thought it would be appropriate for us to do an Easter craft. So we are going to do salt colored Easter eggs. The first thing you're going to do is you're going to click down below. There are templates for Easter eggs. You're going to pick one and print it out. I picked out this one. And then you're going to put this on the window and put a piece of cardstock on top and take a Sharpie or a marker and trace the Easter eggs onto a thicker piece of paper. Then you're going to take your drawing and you're going to put it on a tray so you don't make a mess. After that, you're going to need salt, glue, paintbrushes, food coloring, water, and some bowls. If you have watercolors and you want to use those instead of food coloring, you can do that as well. And I also put out a paper towel just in case I make a mess. So the next thing you're going to do is you're going to take a bottle of Elmer's glue. If you use dollar store glue or off-brand glue, it won't work as well, so I suggest using the actual Elmer's brand glue. And you're going to trace the lines on your drawing. I'm starting to run out of glue, so bear with me here. Okay, once you're done tracing your Easter eggs, it'll look a little like this. So then you're going to put it back on your tray, because we don't want to make a mess. And you're going to pour salt all over the glue. It's going to look a little messy. As you can see, you can't really see your Easter eggs, but when you lift it off the tray, all the extra salt is going to fall off onto your tray, and you're going to have eggs that look like that. So they're going to be covered in salt. I'm just going to lay my drawing back on top of my salt for right now. Then you're going to take your cups of water and you're going to add some food coloring. I did that already just to save some time. Then you're going to take a paintbrush and you're going to pick what colors you want. I'm going to try with yellow. The more food coloring that you add to your water, the stronger your colors are going to be. I added about 4 drops to each, so let's see how strong they are. I've never done this before. So when you touch your paintbrush to your salt, it should start to color it. And you don't even need to drag your paintbrush across it. Just when you touch it, it'll start to bleed onto the salt. And I'm going over it again to make the color a little stronger because I noticed it's kind of pastel-like. And then I put an extra cup of water just to clean off my brush and a paper towel to dry it off. So let's try some green. And the website that I saw actually used watercolors, and their colors were more vibrant. So just seeing how mine are coming out, I would probably suggest using watercolors if you have them at home. But if you've watched some of my previous videos, you could see that I don't have any watercolors at home. So it's all about experimenting and having fun. Okay, so I'll show you for my first egg. I went for like the ombre kind of look, fading into the next color. So I have one more egg to do, my polka dotted egg. So I like how the green showed up on this one. So let's use some more green. I'll make my polka dots green. Okay, so let's see my eggs now that they are done. So I can hear all the salt. Woo! So you don't want to tilt it too far because then your watercolors are going to run. But that's why I got a paper towel. So the paper towel will soak it up. And art is never perfect. So okay, so now that you've colored your eggs, you're all done. But as you could see, it is kind of wet and drippy, so you need to let it dry. So I would give this about a half an hour to an hour, maybe even 2 hours to dry. It's up to you. Once you notice that the salt has started to harden instead of being soft and squishy and shiny, then you know that it's starting to dry, just so it doesn't drip like you saw mine drip. I hope you enjoyed this art activity, and I'm excited to hear what you guys think about it. If you are looking for any more types of activities, science activities, math activities, art activities, more read-alouds, post down below and let me know. I'm starting to look online for more ideas, and I'm interested to see what you guys want instead of just what I think is interesting. So you guys let me know what you want to see, and I'll make sure that I bring it to you. Thanks, and I will see you guys later. Bye! Happy Easter!